Looking for a way to keep your RV cool and comfortable in the scorching sun? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Tent Pro Inc. RV Awning Side Sunshade Screen. Measuring 9 feet by 7 feet. Priced at just $34.76, what caught my attention was its ability to block about 86% of harmful UV rays while giving you a clear view outside. If you want a practical way to protect your skin and enjoy your camping experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This sunshade not only shields you from the sun, but also helps lower the temperature under your awning, making those hot days a lot more bearable. With a lightweight design at only 3.4 pounds and easy installation thanks to included stakes and hooks, it's user-friendly for anyone. Plus, it reduces wind effectively, so you can sit comfortably without worrying about harsh gusts. Now, some people complained about the installation not being as simple as advertised. Here's the thing though, it may take a little practice, but once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate how well it works. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and effective shade solution. Skip this one if you need a larger coverage area, as it's best for smaller setups. Now, if the Tent Pro Inc. size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Shade Plus RV Awning Sunshade Screen. The Shade Plus RV Awning Sunshade Screen, designed for an 18-foot awning and priced at $76.49. What really stands out here is its heavy-duty zipper design, allowing you to easily adjust the coverage without taking down the whole screen. If you're after flexibility and privacy, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Made from durable mesh fabric, this screen not only blocks harmful UV rays, but also offers a private space that keeps prying eyes away. The mesh design lets you enjoy the view from inside while keeping your activities shielded. It's also super easy to install. You can set it up in just 2 to 3 minutes. With over 50 purchases in the past month, it's clear people are loving this. Now, some users have mentioned that the zipper can be a bit stiff at first, but here's the thing. Once it loosens up, the convenience it offers is a game changer, especially for families who want to enjoy their outdoor time without being seen. This is perfect for you if you prioritize privacy and quick adjustments. Skip this one if you have a smaller camper, as it's designed for larger setups. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for more space. Product number 3, Tent Pro Inc.'s RV Awning Sunshade Screen. Coming in third is another option from Tent Pro Inc., their sunshade screen measuring 8 feet by 15 feet 3 inches for $55.16. What drew me to this one is its perfect fit for a 16-foot awning, offering that ideal balance of size and shade. If you want a reliable sun protection solution, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This screen effectively blocks 86% of UV rays, ensuring you stay safe while enjoying your time outside. It also helps lower the temperature under your awning, so you can relax without melting. Installation is a breeze too, with all necessary accessories included to make your setup quick and easy. People appreciate that it fits most major awning brands, ensuring compatibility. Now, some reviews pointed out that the material could be a bit thinner than expected, but here's the thing. While it may not be the thickest, it still provides excellent sun protection and is super lightweight, making it easy to handle. This is perfect for you if you want something budget-friendly without sacrificing quality. Skip this one if you need something extra durable for severe weather conditions. Now, if you're looking for enhanced durability, you might want to check out our next product. Product number 4, Alphabet Acre RV Awning Sunshade Screen. Measuring 9 feet by 19 feet 3 inches and priced at $89.99. I was really impressed by its 95% UV protection and the heavy-duty materials used. If you're serious about keeping your space cool and safe, this one's worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Made from 1200D Oxford cloth and vinyl mesh, this screen not only protects against UV rays, but also allows for airflow so you won't feel stuffy underneath. The installation is super straightforward thanks to its zipper feature, which means you can set it up in just 1 to 2 minutes. Plus, it can withstand wind speeds over 60 miles per hour, making it a solid choice for those windy days. However, some users did mention that the initial setup could take a bit longer if you're unfamiliar with zippers. But here's the thing, once you figure it out, the ease of use and superior protection make it well worth the minor hassle. This is perfect for you if you need heavy-duty protection and quick installation. Skip this one if you have a smaller RV, as the size might be overwhelming. Alright, that was a fantastic option, but the final product might be just what you need for a balance of quality and affordability. Product number 5, Dualipex RV Awning Shade Screen. We have the Dualipex RV Awning Shade Screen, sized at 8 feet by 15 foot 3, and priced at $42.49. The standout feature is its knife-coated curtain mesh, which is designed for superior UV blocking and privacy. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a mesh hole size significantly smaller than many competitors, it offers enhanced protection from UV rays while still allowing some airflow. The zipper design allows for easy adjustments based on weather conditions, making it versatile for various scenarios. Plus, it's lightweight, making installation a breeze. However, some users found the material to be less durable than expected. But here's the thing, while it may not be the toughest option out there, it still serves its purpose well for casual RVers looking to shield themselves from the sun. This is perfect for you if you want a solid shade solution without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're a frequent traveler in extreme conditions, as it might not hold up as well. Now, if you're still unsure which one to choose, let's recap the highlights. So there you have it. We've covered the 10 Pro Ink side shade, SHDE Plus, another 10 Pro Ink option, the Alphabet Acre, and finally the Dualipex. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Alphabet Acre because of its unbeatable combination of UV protection and durability.